President Trump touting his first 100 days in office during a cabinet meeting today. One of his first actions has been to shrink the federal workforce. And this afternoon, some Democratic lawmakers criticized the administration. 7 News' Christian Flores is also checking in with a fired federal worker, and that is all new at 10 o'clock.
It's been one disaster after another.
Congressman Glenn Ivey joining Labor Caucus colleagues to criticize the second Trump administration's first 100 days.
We have tens of thousands of government employees out there who've been forced out of work.
From the Hill to households.
I go into my home office 9, sometimes up to 11 hours a day applying for work.
Federal workers who have been fired are sharing their stories.
I tried for years and finally I got in. And when I got in, there was this huge sense of pride. You feel like you're doing something to help your country.
Keri worked in the Department of Commerce.
I worked for Chips for America, and Chips for America is, the manufacturing of semiconductors and chips in the United States, which is what the current administration is, they're fans of.
And her firing added insult to literal injury.
I had spinal surgery 2 weeks before we were terminated. Right now, I should be going to physical therapy as recovery, but I can't. I don't have the health coverage.
The Department of Government Efficiency, led by Elon Musk, has been reforming the federal government, leading to thousands of layoffs to cut what the administration calls waste.
You have been treated unfairly, but the vast majority of people in this country really respect and appreciate you. You're invited to stay as long as you want.
In the meantime, Keri and her colleagues are wondering what's next.
I can do nothing but continue to try, but I'm not hopeful that, I'll get my job back. Although, if I could wave my magic wand, that's exactly what would happen.
Christian Flores, 7 News.